Hi fam, you're welcome to the channel. So if you are new here, this is Thyme cooking and vlog. You are much welcome. Today I share with you how I prepare this crispy chicken. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. Alright, so I have drumstick. It's neatly washed and cut. So I'm going to, present it into my cooking pots. So I have natural spices which I'm going to use to season this chicken. Okay, so this is the pots. I'm going to set everything inside like this. All right, so once done, I will go ahead and blend the natural spices. So I have onions, I have ginger, fresh garlic, I have thyme, rosemary, and also I have salt to taste and seasoning cubes. So at this point, I'm going to blend the natural spices all together, then I will get back to you guys. So as you can see, I added a little bit of water, and I'm going to use it to blend the seasoning. Okay, so don't go anywhere. All right, so now it is done, and I'm going to go in with my seasoning cubes. I'm using chicken seasoning cubes. You can use any type of cubes of your choice, guys. And also I have some thyme, as like I said, and also a bit of rosemary. At this point, I'm also adding some salt to taste, then one chili pepper or habanero pepper. Okay, then also I will also go in with the blended spices. So guys, I'm going to stir everything together and cover it and let it boil for about 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, not too long because this is soft chicken. All right, so now I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my amazing subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your time and your patience. All right, so this is popular request because the last upload there was no voiceover. So this one I try my best to do voiceover so that you can understand clearly what I made in this video. Thank you guys so much for understanding. And also guys, if you were new here, thanks so much for joining the family. Share the videos to your loved ones, click the bell notification buttons, and please give me thumbs up if you like the video, and also give me your comments. Thank you so much for joining. So I'm going to cook this chicken 20 minutes, and it's been 10 minutes, so I have to give it a stir and let it cook for another 10 minutes. As you can see, I added some basil mesa. Okay, so this is going to give it a very nice aroma. I love this spices so much. All right guys, so now it's been 10 minutes. I'm stirring it up and let it boil for another 10 minutes. So I'll get back to you guys. All right, so this is after 20 minutes and the chicken is ready. As you can see, it's well cooked. So now I'm going to separate the chicken from the broth, and please do not throw your broth away. You can use this to prepare your jollof rice, fried rice, or you can also use the broth to prepare some stew. Okay, so anytime you make you prepare chicken like this, don't show your broth away. I know most of people do. So I'm going to separate the chicken from the broth, like I said, and let it dry before I can fry the chicken. So at this moment, the oil is already on fire and I'll go in with the chicken. So I'm going to add just 5 or 6 pieces chicken at once. You don't need to stuff too much chicken in the oil because you need your chicken to be crunchy, guys. So now I go in with just 6 pieces and look at this. They look so amazing, guys. So I'm going to take them out on the baking paper so that the oil can, dry out from the chicken. So guys, after this, tell me what you're going to do with this chicken. Voila, the chicken is ready, guys. It looks absolutely delicious, so yummy, guys. Please share the videos, give me your comments, and if you are here and you are not subscribing to my channel yet, please subscribe to the channel, okay? Like the video and don't forget the bell notification button, guys, please. Thank you so much for doing so. See you. Bye bye.